Here we are, the next morning of the beautiful snow that we got last night. Big winter storm. As you can see, my car is pretty well covered here. And the other car down there is pretty well covered too. Not as bad. It's still a little bit snowy coming down. And of course we did lose power. So we have absolutely no power right now. The wind will probably knock some of the snow right off, hopefully. But we had all rain and everything, so we got ice underneath, which made it kind of hard here. So you can kind of see it's kind of just a bit on the grayish side here. Definitely can't walk out because it still needs to be all cleaned up. As you can see, they must have sunk pretty deep in there. Of course, our little fort down there and that we done yesterday, if you've seen the other videos and everything. I was looking out the window and the flags were flying because there is wind and everything. You can see the wires over there. Let's see, I'll try to get it right there. Dancing around. That bottom one's really dancing. Pretty much wants to shake the snow off, I guess. Must be a natural way that it tries to do that. See the wire just jump around? Really jumping. And the trees are all just, wind's got the best of them right now. Trying to get some of the snow off them. I don't know about this one. This one's starting to tilt. Don't care too much for that. There's some of the fir trees up there. So, but if you notice over here and everything, they've kind of been hanging. So, when it snows like this, it's really hard on birch trees. So if you have birch trees up by the lines and everything, you're gonna lose power. That's just a natural way of things happening. So, alright, so I just thought I'd show you how the morning ended up. We got more snow for the fort to make it a little bit bigger, but that's not what we look for, and I hope this is the last storm for the winter and everything. So one of them little flags there was just a flying this morning. That one right there. Alright, so now it's going to be, you see them, job and a half to clean this all up. So this is a winter storm here in Maine. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you, so you can see it all. Bye-bye now.